Aliens? Add it up. Put things together, count them up. One more here, one more there. Addition fun is everywhere. One red apple or on the plate. Add one more, now don't be late. 1 plus 1, what do we see? 2 red apples, count with me. Paw 1 plus 1 equals 2. Add it up. Put things together, count them up. Touch and count, nice and slow. Watch the numbers start to grow. 2 toy cars go vroom, vroom, vroom. Add one more, make some room. 2 plus 1, let's explore. 3 toy cars, count some more. Count them all one by one. 1, 2, 3, great job everyone. When we add, we put together. Math is fun, now and forever. 3 blue blocks standing tall. Add one more, watch them all. 3 plus 1, what's the score? 4 big blocks, let's roar. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Add it up. Objects help us add it up. Count with toys, count with friends. Addition fun never ends. We added apples, cars, and blocks. You're a math star. Tick tock. Great job adding. Yes, it's true. Math is fun, and so are you.